Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Netgear Nighthawk app not working. So if your Netgear Nighthawk application is also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So the first thing that you can do is try updating the application. All you have to do is go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Now what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for Netgear Nighthawk. You can see over here Netgear Nighthawk application will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Instead of open option, if you see update option, all you have to do is tap on it. After that your application will be updated, and after that your application should start working now. If your application still does not work, what you can do is try clearing the cache of your application. All you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings is open. Scroll down, find the option for storage, tap on it. Now you can see over here storage will be opened. Here you will be able to find several options. Simply find the option for apps, tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to find the application for Netgear Nighthawk. Once you find the application for Nighthawk, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage of that application. Here you'll be able to see two options, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. After that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application will work. So that is how you fix Netgear Nighthawk application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.